Dear friends, in this video I bring to you the information about a man who lives with wolves. Shaun Ellis. Shaun Ellis, often referred to as the Wolfman, is a British animal researcher and behaviorist who is renowned for his close work with wolves. His unconventional approach to studying these animals has garnered both acclaim and criticism. Ellis has dedicated much of his life to understanding wolf behavior by living with wolves and integrating himself into their packs. Early life and background. Shaun Ellis was born in England in 1967. His fascination with wildlife, particularly wolves, began at an early age. Without formal academic training in zoology or animal behavior, Ellis's journey into wolf research was largely self-driven. Shaped by an intense passion and personal study, Ellis initially joined the Royal Marines and served in military capacities. However, his calling toward nature, particularly wolves, soon became his primary focus. This led him to leave his military career and immerse himself in the study of wolves in the wild. Living with wolves. What sets Shaun Ellis apart from other researchers is his unique method of studying wolves. Instead of observing from a distance, he chose to live with wolves in their natural environment, embedding himself within a pack. He learned their behaviors, vocalizations, and even adopted a wolf-like lifestyle to the extent of eating raw meat, communicating through howls, and engaging in pack hierarchies. This experience allowed him to gain first-hand insights into the behavior, communication patterns, and social structure of wolves. His studies have expanded to cover how wolves hunt, raise their pups, and establish dominance hierarchies within packs. By living as a part of the pack, he has been able to decipher and mimic the wolves' methods of communication, including body language, facial expressions, and vocal sounds. Ellis has often noted that wolves use a wide range of vocalizations, from howls to growls, to convey messages that vary depending on the situation, social standing, and the pack's environment. Ellis has also contributed to conservation efforts, particularly in advocating for the protection of wolves in regions where their populations are dwindling due to habitat destruction, human-wildlife conflicts, and illegal hunting. Media appearances and public engagement. Shaun Ellis's unique lifestyle and research have attracted significant media attention. He has been featured in documentaries, including The Man Who Lives with Wolves and A Man Among Wolves on the National Geographic Channel. These programs have brought his work to a wider audience and sparked public interest in wolves and their conservation. Ellis has also written books on his experiences, including The Man Who Lives with Wolves and The Wolf Talk, where he details his interactions with wolves, their social structures, and what humans can learn from their way of life. In addition to media appearances, Ellis has run workshops and educational programs for the public, helping people better understand wolves and the importance of conservation efforts. Controversies. Ellis's methods have not been without controversy. Some scientists and researchers have criticized his lack of formal training and the potential dangers of his approach. Concerns have been raised about the risks involved in living so closely with wild animals and the ethical considerations of his